In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro's alignment feature efficiently. If you're looking to organize your visual workspace and keep things tidy, you're definitely in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to align objects seamlessly on your Miro boards. So let's jump right into it. First, let's get started by heading to Miro's login page, which you can easily find at Miro.com. If you're not already signed in, please enter your credentials and access your account. Miro is a fantastic tool for visual collaboration, and it's widely used across different industries. It's essential to have your workspace organized, and knowing how to align objects will save you a lot of time and effort. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Look for one of your existing boards that you've already started working on. Click on it to open the board. If you haven't created a board yet, just make a quick one by using the templates provided or starting from scratch. It's in these boards that you'll be doing most of your creative work, so keeping them neat is beneficial. Now with your board open, it's time to choose the objects you want to align. Hover over the objects on the board, click and drag to highlight them. Make sure you select all the items you wish to align. This feature is handy whether you're dealing with text boxes, sticky notes, shapes, or any other elements on your board. Selecting multiple objects ensures that you can apply alignment properties to them simultaneously. With the items highlighted, you should notice a toolbar at the top of the screen. This toolbar contains various options, including the alignment feature. Go ahead and click on the alignment option. You'll see multiple choices appear, such as aligning to the center, left, right, top, or bottom. Depending on how you want your objects laid out, select the option that best fits your needs. These alignment options are particularly useful when you're trying to make your board visually appealing and orderly. And that's basically all you need to do. With just these few simple steps, you can ensure that your board looks much more professional and is easier to navigate. This clean arrangement helps in conveying your ideas more clearly, whether you're working alone or collaborating with a team. Remember, well-aligned content not only looks good, but also enhances the comprehensibility of your presentations. There you have it. Now you know how to leverage Miro's alignment tools to keep your workspace neat and efficient. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't hesitate to experiment with different options to see what works best for your projects. Thank you for watching, and happy collaboration.